Hello everybody, I'm Austin Volack from BMX Respect Team, and today this is my bike check. Well, to start, the frame is a Fit Bike Co. Street 1 2010. I got a Shadow Attack stem, Shadow Voltus bars, ODIs, long neck grips. I have a Fits stock front tire, 2 alienation rims, front and back. Got a Maxxis hookworm tire right there, if you can see that. I have KMC chain with a stock sprocket, 3-piece cracks right here. I guess they're fine until I actually need new ones. I got the Odyssey PC pedals, they're pretty light, and got a kink seat and animal seat post. I don't have a clamp anymore. I did though, because I don't need it anymore, but I did. But one's already built into the bike, so right now I'm not riding brakes because, well, I just don't feel like putting them on for one, and I just really don't need them. So later on I gotta take those brake arms off. I got pegs, just stock forks, and well, that's pretty much it. So that's my bike. I'll be getting off with more parts later. I'm planning on getting the Fit 25 teeth sprocket and maybe profile racing cranks for my bike. I really don't know yet. So thanks for watching. That's my bike check. See you later.